all this adventure, new words and write the meanings. But before starting the exercise, I'll just do a short summary for you so you can recollect what was in the chapter. So it is it is about a small girl. Her name is Haldi. She was going to the school, and on the way to the school she met a giraffe. Now what kind of giraffe did she met? It was a giraffe who was wearing spectacles, glasses, and he had books in his hand. So looking at the giraffe, she was surprised, and she was staring only at the giraffe. So she was looking at it. The giraffe understood, and he introduced himself by telling that his name is Smiley. Now Smiley means what? A cute little smile on the face. So always keep smiling. So Haldi also introduced herself, and then she was talking, and suddenly she remembered that she has to go to school. So she took a permission from Smiley the giraffe and told him that I have to go to school, so please excuse me. So the Smiley the giraffe said, "You don't worry, you can sit on my back, and I'll make sure that you reach school on a time." So Smiley had a few questions to ask Haldi, and he started asking few questions. He asked Haldi, "Why do you go to school? Why do you carry books?" Like that. So she told, "In the school I learn about the flowers, about the birds, about the nature, and I have to carry books to the school to read, and when every day she has to go to school." Yes, every day she has to go to school. So Smiley asked her when she has to go to school. So she said, "I have to go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is a playing period for us. So Saturday whole day we play games and do activities." So Smiley was very happy hearing all these talks. He said, "Even I also like to go to school. I also like to go to school. I even like enjoying books, also reading and everything." Then Smiley offered Haldi to sit on his back so she can reach school on time. So Haldi climbed on the back of the giraffe, and the giraffe started running and hopping to make Haldi reach in a time to the school, in a perfect time to the school. As soon as Haldi sat on the back of the giraffe, she felt that she is on top of the world. She was observing the beauty of the nature and surroundings near her. She was too much surprised and happy. As soon as her school playground came, so she climbed down from the back of the Smiley, and as soon as she turned to say thank you, the Smiley the giraffe disappeared, went away. So Haldi was very much shocked and excited also, and she felt like that it was an adventure for her, and she will never forget an adventure like this ever. Okay, now we'll start with the new words. What we are going to start with the new words. Now what is over here? New words. Morning, 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 morning. The second word is giraffe. What is the second one? Giraffe. What is the second one? It's a giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe. Then the third is walked. 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 Then another one is surprised. 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 What is the other one? Surprised. Then remember. What is the other one? Remembered. Remembered. What is the another one? Remembered. Remembered. Then another one is talk. Talk. Then the next one is late. 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 Then rush. 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 Ride. 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 Reached. 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 Climbed. Found. Found. Adventure. Adventure. So these are the new words. Now morning, morning. Morning means what? When you get up in the morning. Giraffe is the name of an animal. Walked, walked. Walked means which we walk with our legs, right? So that is called walking. Surprise, surprised. Surprised means what? You are something you are expecting and you get in a surprise form. You don't know and you want that thing really, but you get it in a surprise form when you are happy to take it. Remember means you should remember to think and to keep it in a mind. Talk means what? As we are talking just now, you talk with your friends, you talk with your parents. Late means what? Reaching late to school or getting up late. Rush to be quick. You ride on a bicycle, your papa mama has purchased a cycle for you, and you every time you want to ride on that bicycle. Reached means to reach on that place on a perfect time. Climb means what? You have to climb your steps of the house. Or climbing means what? You are going on a picnic or somewhere and you are climbing a tree. Climb. Found means to get it. If something is lost and you are searching for a long time and you get that thing. Adventure means unexpected thing which you never know and it comes in form of adventure. Now we'll do write the meanings. The next exercise is what? Write the meanings. What is the next exercise? Write the meanings. The first one is what? Stare. S-T-A-R-E. Stare. S-T-A-R-E. Stare. Stare, to watch without break. Stare means what? To watch without break. Means not just to see continuously. To watch continuously only at a thing or at a particular person. The next is surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-T. Surprise. And what it means? Struck with wonder. As I told you just now, you are expecting something. Suppose you are expecting your cousins from foreign, from USA or UK or somewhere, and you are not being told that they are coming today. So when they reach at your when the doorbell rings, when they reach at your place, and when you open the door, so it is a surprise for you. So struck with wonder. You never know. Late. L-A-T-E. Late means not in time. You have to be in time. Late means what? Not in time. Then rush. Rush means what? To run fast. Rush means what? To run very fast. Climb. Climb, to go upwards. Climb means what? To go upwards. As I told you, you are climbing the steps of your house, or you are climbing a tree nearby, you are playing in the garden and you are climbing the steps of some swing is there, or marigold round is there, or some puzzle type is there where you have to climb up the steps and solve the puzzle. So that is climbing up. Playground. Playground means what? A ground where children play. Playground means what? A ground where children play. As I told you, in a garden area we'll find children are playing. Or a playground means what? Where cricket is being played and others audience are watching. Football is being played, hockey is being played. So that is also called one type of playground. Wonderful. Wonderful means strange. Wonderful means what? Strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange. Wonderful means what? Strange. And adventure. What is the word over here? Adventure. What is the last one? The last one is adventure. Adventure means what? Exciting activity. As I told you, when you are going for a picnic or something, and when all the things are hidden around your place, nearby your tent or nearby your place where you have kept your belongings, and you have to search the things. Cheats are kept at a different places, and on the cheat they are saying find a water bottle, find a pair of shoes, a pair of socks, find a bunch of keys. So you have to go and search it out. So that is one type of adventure activity. Now we are continuing with the exercise Haldi Rotha. Name and school in this way. हल्दी, शी मेड वन मिस्टेक, व्हाट वाज इट? हल्दी जब स्कूल में गई उसने उसका नाम हल्दी इस तरह से उसने लिखा। अभी हमें वो सोचना है कि उसकी मिस्टेक क्या थी। तो हमें क्या करना है, उसका नाम करेक्टली कहाँ पे लिख रहा है, यहाँ पे लिखना है उसका नाम, दूसरा नाम आपका यहाँ पे लिखना है। यहाँ पे आप हल्दी का नाम लिखना है, यहाँ पे आपका नाम लिखना है। दूसरी अभी क्या है एक्सरसाइज, हल्दी रोट आई मेट अ जिराफ। हल्दी रोट आई मेट अ जिराफ। शी मेड टू मिस्टेक्स, व्हाट आर दे? राइट हल्दी सेंटेंस करेक्टली। शी मेड टू मिस्टेक्स एंड व्हाट आर they? So first is what we will see, I is written small, so I should be capital. And then giraffe name is already given, so we will write smiley, SMILEY, smiley. So this is the name of the giraffe. So the correction is what we have to write in the sentence over here down. We have to write over here down on this line. She made two mistakes and what are they? And write Haldi's sentence correctly. Okay, write the first letter of each picture given in the box. Now you just have to write, looking at the picture, only first letter. See, it is grapes picture. So grape starts from which alphabet? G for grapes. Then the next picture is igloo. So it starts from I for igloo. Then rabbit. So it starts with R for rabbit. Apple. A for apple. Then F for frog, F for fish, F, E for envelope. So we have to write only E. Now down what you see a picture of a giraffe. What you see? A picture of a giraffe. Okay, and here you have to write the spelling what you find in the box. Chalo, we'll write. What we are going to write over here, G I R A F F and E. So what it became? It became giraffe. What it became? It became giraffe. Now we'll write in capital letters. G I R A F F and E. So it became giraffe. So we'll write over here G I R A F F and E. So it became word giraffe. So you can see in the picture it is a giraffe photo. So I hope you follow this exercise very well. Thank you.